Is ransomware keeping you up at night? Worry no more. We've got the solution to secure your system. In this video, we'll show you how to deploy Microsoft's built-in defenses. Your privacy and data will be locked down tight after we reveal how to activate the Windows Ransomware Protection security setting. Let's get started. First things first, let's access the security settings. Type Windows Security in the Windows search bar found on the lower left side of the screen. Open the app that appears. On the Windows Security app, click on Virus and Threat Protection found on the left side. Now click on Manage Ransomware Protection under the Ransomware Protection section. Here, you'll see Controlled Folder Access. Toggle this feature on to start protecting your files. This setting restricts app access to your PC's default OneDrive, documents, pictures, videos, music, and favorites folders. Next, you can customize which folders are protected. Click on Protected Folders and add the folders you want to safeguard. With these simple steps, you've activated Microsoft's ransomware protection, giving you peace of mind against cyber threats. Just remember that limiting access to files and folders won't completely protect them. It's always a good idea to regularly back up your files.